Yubod, nakuban niya nas babak. Ako kabalo, magkabao din na siyang gitara. Pero sugat niya na ninyo, how na mo gitara. So, they complement with each other. Can you say amen? Good morning, mga kaigsunan. Napalipayot ni Happy Sabbath. I woke up this morning and realized that today is the first day of February. Ako nagsuon ko, kadugay na months mulan sa inyo. Iyapi-hapi niyo ito. That was the longest month of the year so far. But this morning, we celebrate the month of love. And one thing I could always recall every February mga kaigsunan, because that has been my experience. Grito pa ko. Happy na isra ng building sitahan si Mambuisan ito sa Piñaplata Central Elementary School. Pagkamuntin is Febrero mga kaigsunan, ingon dayon, alright class, this month is February. A month of love. What is love? Pastilan ako mugay na tawagan. Ditindog ko igsoon kay Kunitindog, puso ko mang lunit sa unas tingkoy bitaw. Unya lumago ni Pumugan. Muling ka, sumbong ka sa imong nanay, sabutan pagin ka. Karoon igsoon, o latuton ka, sumbong sa ginikanan, sulong mo na mesa, pailan na kaso. So gituwag na po yung pamutana. So may kabagagan ako ng magrinto pa ko. Na may drama sa unang panahon kong advertise mga kaigsunan lingon dahil nga love is blind. So I told my teacher, I said, Ma'am, love is blind. It was an answer film of film mga kaigsunan. Diba si Malulitan ko kay mali ang tubag. But I was happy to say, my teacher telling me that Jimmy, you give me the correct answer. When I reached high school, dirin ako sa kapitol mga kaigsunan, nato maestra nga gwapa. Unya, daga pagod siya itong palamunan. Si Ma'am Samuel Kadamako. First year ko mga kaigsunan, February 14. Today is Valentine's Day. Let's celebrate love. What was love? Ako na po'y natawagan. High school naman mga kaigsunan. Kabantay mo high school na naman tayo crush-crush na, di ba? I said, Ma'am, love is like a bubble gum kung mupilit magabuha. And my teacher said, perfect! Sila niyo sa ito tubag at pinataka mga kaigsunan niya mingon na may sasakto ka. Nagtuogin ko ako namin pinaka-bright sa una. When I was in college, professor again asked me during February, our class will celebrate Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is about the day of love. But what's love? I was again asked. And I told my professor, Dr. Eduliantes, I said, Sir, love is a principle than an emotion. And he said, that was an excellent answer. You know what? Samtang nagkadako ko sa mundo na libog, kung sa yun ang binuot kay lugan sa uman. Is love like? Is love like a bubblegum kung pilit makabuang? Or is love like a principle than an emotion? That compiled by research and so on. Sige kung research, sige tinood ng lugar sa lupa. Until one day I open up a Bible and read this in the book of 1 John chapter 4 verse 8. It says, whoever does not love does not know God, because God is God. This is the most perfect definition of love. And that hindered my research on the true meaning of love. This month our church celebrates the Adventist Family Ministries. I will go with my family. The theme is celebrate creation, marriage, family, and the Sabbath. I would like to thank Ma'am Sister for giving me this opportunity to share with you some tips, not to have a perfect marriage, but some tips probably on how to last this marriage until the coming of God for the second time around. Amen? Ang atong wali karon mga kaigsunan, basig naghando mo na makukutlo mong sekreto aron mahimong perpekto ng inyong kaminyoon. I am sorry to disappoint you. There is no such thing as a perfect marriage. It did not exist. It does not, and it will never exist. So kamong mga magtiayon na nag-struggle simply because you want to achieve perfection in marriage, undangan na lang mga kaigsunan. That will never happen. My marriage is not perfect. The marriages of your parents are not perfect. I do not know. Sa kaminyo ni Pastor Joe, di mo bibig perfect o magani. Thumbs down. O hindi ang nagkasal ng pumakis na we are honored with your presence, Pastor. Pagkakita na ko ni Pastor, incos pastoral of that speaker, Lord. But I'm so happy to survive our marriage because of the guidance of Pastor Joe. Not even the marriage of Adam and Eve. For two reasons, perfecto ginunta ang kaminyo ni Adan and Eva. One, because it was God Himself who solemnized the marriage. And there is no other marriage in the Bible which was solemnized by God except the marriage of Adam and Eve. Second reason, their marriage was held in the Garden of Eden. In short, it was in heaven where everything was perfect. Kining tuhang karason mga kaisunan, perfecto na ginunta ang kaminyo ni Adan and Eva. But look what happened to their marriage. Their marriage was a disaster. And I would say, my marriage is even better than the marriage of Adam and Eve. Why? The first killing in the history of man took place inside the marriage of Adam and Eve. That was when Cain, the older brother, killed his younger brother Abel. These are two children of Adam and Eve whose marriage was solemnized by God, and yet unang patay na itabo mga kaisunan na itabog suits kaminyon ni Adan and Eve. You see that? Iso na may patay suits yung panibalay, pahalang kung pinagsiyanan ka, wag lang yung mga matay, and I will tell you that your marriage is better than the marriage of Adam and Eve. Walay perfectong kaminyon. Napigikasal sa Davao mga kaisunan. I always emphasize, to kamo pares sa mga kaisunan. Why perfecto kami yun? Na hindi nang ipataas ang kamot yung sa judge. Sorry, exempted ko. I was surprised that for so long a time, that was the first time mga kaisunan ginariningon, judge, exempted ko. I said, why? What did you say that you are exempt? My marriage is perfect, you just what? So I requested the woman, can you tell your secrets? Why do you consider your marriage perfect? And he just tumangan mga kaisunan and told all the 10 couples ang akong kaminyon perfecto. Ano man, namunta na ang mga kinasal. Sukat lang yung pinagbuwag sa kumbana, wala na ko'y problema. Mga kaisunan. Bilaman ka rin yung karoon, mga kaisunan, pawad na problema, wala yung banan. So on, I am sorry to disappoint you today and to give you some tips to have a perfect marriage. Before I proceed, let me recognize my friends. We have with us this morning Consial Calboy Calzada of the municipality of Macro. He is my Bible student, mga kaisunan. Ulawon gini siya, kinirin politiko maulawon. Ang dahon ni Padilto, di yun, bukaon. Wala na, wag yung piniluto ng Consial, hindi magkabuban sa Padilto, magwasa taron tabulatan. He is the third councilor in Macro, mga kaisunan. Ready na niya magpabautismo. Ako lang sa inilig. Kuwayo lang sa kay mga kababing balas ni Mungkol magtugtog ng simbahan niya sa ulan. So natin is Gilid. Thank you for being with us, Councilor Calboy. My friends from Tagum Center Church, our future Indian Director, Elder Danilo Taclos, kung kanyang pinalang ng asawa. Ako kainan, kisa may imbita ni Mariame. One is Elder Danilo. Ang kwayaw paniya o di niyang wanon niyang asawa. Nalipay ko ganapon niyang asawa. And the rest of my friends. We want to celebrate the Sabbath day as memorable and as beautiful that we can be.